Hi guys, welcome to my channel, DR Build.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this area from looking like this into this, so you can organize your tools like I did. So let's get started. I got these pegs from Amazon that are slapping down in this wall, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I also got these pegboard hooks. This is supposed to be 278. I'm just gonna put it, scatter it there, and see what is gonna look better with all the tools that I have. Alright guys, so I am done putting this pegboard in this board right here on my garage. Hopefully this will help me out organize my tools, because sometimes I am trying to find my tools and I don't know where they are. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow, and I'll see you next time for the next video. So you have a good day.